Hello everybody, Hawaii's only. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make sushi cake or sushi casserole or baked sushi or sushi platter, whatever. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. Sushi on a budget, it's super easy and it's super delicious. Stay tuned. For today's baked sushi dish, we're gonna need a sushi flavoring packet, unagi sauce, spicy oil or sriracha. You're gonna need some kind of chili pepper powder. It could be Togarashi, SMB is the one I'm using today, or anything that you have. Mayonnaise, any type of brand. Furikake, any type of brand. Imitation crab, cucumber, avocado, green onion, and fresh or frozen ahi. Masago or tobiko fish eggs, salt, and rice. Aloha everybody, my name is Kale D. Shanks. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Hawaii's Only. We do catch and cook videos where we go out fishing or spear fishing. We catch fish and we cook it up right on the beach or right in front of the camera for you. We do a lot of cooking tutorials like we're doing today, and we release videos twice a week. So yeah, let's get started. All right, for the first step, we're gonna do our sushi rice. So do sushi rice, you take, this is about 3 cups of rice. You follow the instructions on the sushi packet. It's about 1/4 of this packet. It goes in here and it makes your sushi rice. Now, if you don't want to do the packet, you can do your own homemade sushi rice with using vinegar, sugar, and salt. For that recipe, I'll show that to you on a separate video. Okay, so our sushi rice is pao. So for the spicy ahi, I've already showed you guys how to do my secret spicy ahi recipe. Here's a quick recap. You just need salt, either Masago or tobiko eggs. You need any type of spice mix. I use the SMB Togarashi spice mix, but you can use whatever's in your local grocer. You're gonna need some sort of either chili oil or sriracha. I use chili oil in this situation. And then we're gonna have some sort of either Japanese mayonnaise or Best Foods mayonnaise. I'm using Best Foods today. So to do our ahi, just a real quick recap and then we'll move on to the next step, because you guys should already know how to do my ahi, but you're just gonna take your ahi and you're gonna scrape it. The trick to spicy ahi is you need it to be scraped to look like this. Okay? I'm gonna continue working on this and then we'll come back in just a little bit. We've got our scraped ahi. We're gonna take 2 spoonfuls of mayonnaise, chili oil, 2 spoonfuls, and we're gonna take spice mix, 2 spoonfuls. Take our ahi. Now we're gonna mix this up. Now that we've got our spicy ahi finished, we'll go ahead and get the rest of our ingredients ready. The first ingredient is cucumber. Go ahead and remove the seeds and then just make thin slices for cucumbers. Then we break down our avocado, remove the pit, spoon it out, and make some avocado slices. There's no real right or wrong way to do this. Just get it all sliced up. And then we break down our imitation crab and get ready to assemble our baked sushi cake. Now that we've got all of our ingredients cut and prepped, we're gonna go ahead and assemble our baked sushi cake. So if you have a casserole dish or a small shallow pan or a silver pan, now would be the time to bring it out and then you just fill that pan with rice. In this situation, I'm just using a plate just because I just thought it would be nicer. I'm gonna make it into a big rice ball and I'm gonna mold it into like a rectangle shape, flatten it out to kind of resemble a cake. And then our first thing we're gonna do once we get that is put on our furikake. Imitation crab is next. Then we're gonna layer it with cucumbers, and then we'll put on our avocado slices and then cover it with spicy ahi. So our baked sushi is already done. This part is optional. This is kind of like the baked part, so to speak. We're gonna just cover half of this sushi cake or this sushi bake with panko, and then we're gonna use a hand torch to go ahead and torch it. If you want to do the whole, I'm just doing this for as an example. If you want to do the whole thing covered in panko, you can go ahead and just throw it really quickly under a broiler for about 5 minutes to get it all heated and toasted up. And then after we toast up the panko, this gives it a really nice kind of a smoky char flavor. It's a nice finish to the baked sushi. The mayonnaise in the ahi helps it to stay nice and moist, and it's got a really good flavor. And so I enjoy it with this with the hand torch. It's really easy. But yeah, after this will be all pow, and then we're gonna finish it off with some of the unagi sauce and then garnish. Guys, we did it again. We're all done with this episode. I've got a little bit of garnish, as you can see, the avocado, cucumber. We're gonna cut this open just so you can see all the hard work that we did, so you can see what it looks like inside. But yep, thank you guys very much. We will see you guys next weekend for another episode of Hawaii's Only. Aloha.